My name is Natalie, and I came to the class because I have a brain tumour and it has changed my life. I wasn't going out, I wasn't moving. When I first arrived, I was on 2 sticks. I couldn't balance. I didn't want to speak to anyone. And now these people in this group are my friends. And it really gives me a reason to get up on a Monday. And it's life-changing, and I can never thank Katie enough. It really is. I get a bit emotional because I was doing nothing. I'd gone from a very important job to sitting at home and crying. I actually emailed you and you put me in touch with Katie, and it's life-changing. I say to anyone, try it. Try it.
Absolutely amazing.
It's true. And this is the only thing I do. I don't go, I see my family, but I don't do any other. This is the only place I feel safe.
You can do what you need.
And like today, I wasn't as energetic, but Katie gets it.
That's wonderful.